To view your net worth in Fidelity, first log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. Here, you will find various options related to your accounts. Click on Portfolio to access your investment portfolio. In the Portfolio section, look for the option labeled Net Worth or Net Worth Summary. This area provides an overview of your total assets, liabilities, and net worth. If it is not immediately visible, you may need to explore the submenus or settings to enable this feature. Fidelity often updates its interface, so the exact location may vary. Once you locate the net worth section, you will see a breakdown of your investments, cash accounts, and any debts you may have, such as loans or credit card balances. You can also customize the displayed information by selecting different account views or time periods to get a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation. Review the information to assess your financial health. Fidelity also offers tools and resources to help you plan for the future based on your net worth. Make sure to regularly check this section to stay informed about any changes in your financial standings.